So you may have seen that Arizona voters passed Proposition 313 relating to life sentences for defendants convicted of sex trafficking. But I'm going to tell you something about that proposition and about that legislation that you probably weren't aware of. First of all, what it does is it passes a very sweeping piece of legislation and puts that into law that anyone convicted under ARS 133212 is now must be sentenced to a life sentence and cannot receive parole. But what you probably didn't know is that most defendants accused of sex trafficking come from police stings. And what do I mean by that? I mean that police they post ads, people respond to those ads, and they engage in some type of agreement for sex with a minor. Police arrest them, and now in Arizona, they are facing a life sentence. And this is going to be true even though there was never really a minor involved or there wasn't really a quote-unquote victim. So here's what we're going to see. Number one, you're going to see law enforcement engaging in these stings now far more often, in my opinion. And you're going to see prosecutors' offices really hold the line on these cases and make sure that people are sentenced to prison for a very long time. So be careful. Do not engage in this type of behavior, otherwise you're going to face a serious punishment in Arizona.